Good morning everyone. Today's video is about our math class. We are having math class today. There is no physical class, no online class today. We are going to learn through this video. Okay, you all have to take your math for skill book. Okay, that's like a notebook. Okay, so all of you have to open page number 37. We are just going to revise addition only. Okay, you all know very well about addition. We are already learned about addition in our previous classes, so this is like a revised class for addition. So on the page number from the page number 37 we are going to start. Fine. This is page number 37. You all have to mention here date and SW. What you need to do? Add and draw the objects to show the total number. हमको क्या करना है? ये साइन है एडिशन का, हमको इनको ऐड करना है. ऐड करने के बाद में जितना नंबर आएगा उतने ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमको यहाँ ड्रॉ करने हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट्स यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम योर विश. आप अपनी मर्जी से कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व वन. यू ऑल हैव टू डू सेम. Here is 3. You can do like this 1, 2, 3. You can draw circles also. Here is 3 again 1, 2, 3. Now for the addition we will count these together because the addition means to bring all the things together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 6. So we will draw 6 objects here. I am going to draw balls. So I will draw 6 balls. Okay. In the same way you have to do this. You can draw circles like this 1, 2, 3 and here is number 7. So you can draw 7 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है. Now count this together and write the answer here and draw the objects. On the page number 38 you have to do the same thing. So do this yourself. Add and write the correct answer in the box. Again here is addition. You just have to write answer here. Okay. 4 plus 4 equals 2. You can count with the help of fingers. Here is 4 fingers. Again in the another hand you can take 4 fingers. When you count this together the answer will be 8. So you all have to practice for this addition. Page number 39 and page number 40 is the same. You just have to write answer here. Now come to the page number 41. We already learned about this कि अगर हम किसी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं, if we add 0 in any number then the answer is the same number. Suppose you have 6 leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you are adding 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. If you are adding nothing in the 6 then the answer will be the 6. If you are adding 0 in any number the answer is the same. Okay, so you have to draw again here and you have to write answer here. ठीक है. So 6 plus 0 is the answer is the 6. Same 3 plus 0 is answer is 3. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. You have to draw objects here and the objects will be similar like here. Okay, you have to draw leaves, nib, star and capes. Fine. Again this is like previous pages but you have to add 0 in every number. So answer will be the same number. Okay, like 7 plus 0. 7 में हम 0 को add करते हैं तो answer will be the same. So answer will be the same number and the answer will be 7 because we are adding nothing in 7. Okay. Come to the next page. Add and circle the correct answer. 3 plus 1 equals to what? 3 plus 1 equals to 2, 3 and 4. Here are 3 options given for you. You have to circle the right option. You have to circle the correct answer. So when we add 3 plus 1, अगर हम 3 में 1 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर होता है 4 एंड द आंसर करेक्ट आंसर इज 4. सो वी विल सर्कल द 4. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस थिंग दिस वे फॉर द सेम पेज. ओके, अगेन फॉर दिस you have to do the same thing. 8 plus 1 answer is 9. So we will circle from 9, 8, 7. Answer is 9, so we will circle 9. Add and write the correct answer in the boxes. This is also similar like addition, but we were doing horizontal. Now we are doing vertical additions. So 1 0 plus 1 plus 0 equals 2. We will read it like this: 1 plus 0 equals to 1, because if we add 0 in any number, the answer is the same number. So we will write 1. 2 plus 3 equals 2. We will draw 2 circles, 1 2 3 here. So we will count this together: 1 2 3 4 5. So answer is 5. Okay. Okay, fine. So in both the pages you have to do the same things. Next page is also same. Add and write the correct answer in the boxes. On the page number 48, this is also same. Again page number 49 and page number 50 is same. This is all about your practice. Again page number 51, add and correct the correct answer. हमको क्या करना है? Again हमको एडिशन करना है. 3 plus 3 कितने होते हैं? How many answer will be, what will be the answer? 3 plus 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So we will count this together: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So answer is 6. Then answer is 6. We will circle the 6. Okay, 6 plus 0. If we add 0 in any number, then the answer will be same number. So 6 plus 0 means we are adding nothing in the 6. So answer will be 6. 6 3 9, 3 options are given. So our answer is 6. Fine. You have to do the same thing again and again. Page number 52. Okay, add and circle the correct answer. Solve the sums given below. Okay, fine. So you all have to complete till page number 52. This is all about addition. Thank you everyone. Do it yourself. If there is any query, any problems, you can ask me in the class. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.